Welcome to the Al-dirassa YouTube channel, dedicated to teaching the Arabic language, the Holy Quran, and Islamic studies.
Today we'll be exploring the beautiful Arabic alphabet together. Let's start from the very beginning and learn how to pronounce them. It's going to be fun. Let's go.
ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال راء زاي سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون هاء واو ياء.
At the end of the video, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, visit our website www.aldirassa.com to learn more about the Arabic language and Islamic studies.